So this is what I've covered so far. While we're preparing to move to the Dominican Republic, how we're doing it step by step, and what it really costs emotionally and financially from buying our first villa in cash, wiring money safely, to the real closing process, to the lifestyle trap that people don't really talk about. And the goal is to give you clarity, calm, no hype. Now, this is a little bit that I want to show today because I wanted to make sure I do a recap. There's one theme so far, and this is this: big moves don't need to panic anyone. They need to be planned with honesty and clarity. That's what makes this feel possible. Tomorrow, I'm gonna take not tomorrow, but on day 26, which is gonna be Monday. I want to talk about what my actual process is right now, where I am in trying to get my marriage legalized in the Dominican Republic. What's the process? What I've been going through, the apostille, the consulate step, the timelines, what I wish I knew, and some of the things that are holding me back right now. So, guys, I just really want to thank you so far for any of you that have been following this far with me, that have been sticking around in helping me do this life in this journey. Let me tell you, the reason that I have this challenge obviously is not for any of you guys out there. This is a challenge for myself, kind of documenting the process, the thought process, and the reasoning behind what I'm doing, because 3 4 years down the line, I will not want to forget why I did it and how we did it. Because if any of you will ask me in the future, it will be easier for me to come back and look at the process and how I felt exactly during the time that I was doing it. So the reason that I want to do this also is because I want to give you the courage to also, if you're thinking about doing a move, if you're thinking about moving abroad to the Dominican Republic or anywhere else from the USA, that you can see some of my mistakes and probably avoid them altogether, or get the courage to start doing, because if I'm able to do it, then you are able to do it as well. From the bottom of my heart, I really thank you. If you have come with me so far, and this is day 25th, I only have 5 more days of my challenge. Next week will culminate my 30-day challenge. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe, as I'm trying to reach 30 subscribers by the end of my 30-day challenge on the YouTube. And hopefully I'll bring you along the way and you've learned at least one thing. If you learn at least one thing, that will make me very happy, because some of the stuff that I didn't know, I wish I knew, and I wish somebody would have told me. And I hope that this is the person that for you that I wish I had. Anyway, guys, I need to run because I actually have some showings to do. I just wanted to come over here and thank you from the bottom of my heart and let you know the process, the real reasons why we started moving. And the theme is that moving abroad doesn't have to be scary. It doesn't have to panic you. It just just want to let you know that as long as you plan it and you move intentionally, you're able to get there. Anyway, guys, have a great day and have a great weekend. And thank you for tuning in with me all of these 25 days. If that's you, thank you so much. If you're new, please subscribe and follow. Maybe you'll learn a thing or two. Maybe you can put it in the comments what you should tell me if you've already done it and you want me to avoid something. Anyway, guys, if you have a question as well, put it in the comments, because then if I have the answer, if I've already gone through that, but I haven't answered it here yet, I like to go ahead and answer it for you guys. And instead of doing one-on-ones, because a lot of people are sending me DMs or they're sending me messages, or when I talk to my friends, they ask me these questions. I will answer it here for everyone to know. Anyway, guys, thank you. Have a good day. Have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday. Bye.